Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to install ComfyUI Portable and ComfyUI Manager. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the Chrome and search for ComfyUI Portable. After that, go to this link, ComfyUI Portable, and press this download button. Okay, it's beginning the downloading. Let's download with the EDM. Copy link address. Let's go here. Okay, fine. Okay, after that, when the downloading, the progress of the downloading, let's download the ComfyUI Manager. Software Manager, and go to this website, GitHub, ComfyUI Manager. Okay, how to download this? We have to go here, download, press, copy the link, and download with the EDM. Okay, fine. It's downloaded correctly. Okay, downloading is finished. Let's open the operator. We will hit the compress and extracted using Monarch. Okay, fine. The extracting is finished. Let's go here to ComfyUI Portable, Windows Portable. Okay, let's run it with the NVIDIA GPUs. Using this, double click. It takes some time to install all the components right here. Okay, fine. I think the installation is done. This is templates wanna use later on the next videos. I want to use, I want to show you guys how to download and install and what is the difference of those models. Okay, before you do that, we have to install the ComfyUI Manager. It's not exist like here in this place. Let's go here to the file and the file I downloaded previously. Copy it. Install Manager. Turn here. Paste right here. Okay. Now let's close this. And let's close this. Now let's go install Manager for portable version. Double click, install it. Now the manager is installing. I think it's done. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, it's not works because we have to install Git here, Git download and the Python. Okay, this one for Windows. Python download. Python is for Windows, and we can download from this link. Okay, let's install it. Next. After installing Git, we have to install Python. Close this. Close this. Finish. Let's return to Python. Okay, use the admin privilege when you're installing Py. I think add Python path. Okay, install now. After installing Python, to make all things working correctly, you must restart the PC. Okay, fine. I restart the PC. After restarting, let's test. Let's go right here. Now notice ComfyUI portable. Okay, let's open the install the manager in the time, and let's see it works or not.
If moving switch simply EV.
Okay, the installation is begin. It takes some time to install all the components for the manager. Okay, I think it's done. Let's open it. Okay, fine. The manager is installed correctly. Thank you guys for watching. This all for this tutorial. I showed you how to install ComfyUI portable and the manager. And the next tutorials of our new series, how to use ComfyUI and ComfyUI, and how to use AIs inside the ComfyUI. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for the channel for more tutorials like this.